Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make and how I make pork neck. So first I start the marinate with garlic, rosemary, salt, oil, pepper. Then after that I start to cook uh, it's flat pan. Why I use the flat pan? Because if you use the flat pan you can cook redox fast and also slow fire. That's why I use this pan. You can see the pork neck. How was pork neck is so very nice looks. You can grill with carrot, some potato and rosemary and tomato also. If you cook some vegetable with the meat you can feel and you can taste very nice flavor, and you can amazing taste. That's why I use this. So you can see you can cook one side minimum 5 to 6 minutes, and after that you can turn the another side 5 to 6 minutes. And vegetable also you can turn, and you can use this pork neck fat like a top on the this meat and this potato, also this tomato. If you cook like this, potato is amazing thing, and you feel how was it's very wow, it's tasty. That's why I make like this, and I show you. Please, how was my recipe? Please, if you like, please support my channel and my video, and thank you so much for watching for my video, and see you next video. And if you want to cooking next vlog and video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much. See you soon and see you again.